Stop talking about if, start planning for when. And what you can do immediately if you're a leader of an organization is, first of all, I say get a third-party assessment. If it's New Wave taking care of your IT or somebody else, internal, external, get a third-party assessment. Just, it's like in the financial world, accounting versus auditing. Have somebody look at your environment, look at everything you're doing, assess you. That's number one. Second of all, is make sure that do you have a plan in place? My advice is align to a framework, because otherwise it's somebody's opinion. And what I mean by a framework is there's prescriptive, here's how your IT environment should be set up. Here's your policies and procedures. We're a big fan of NIST, have a framework. Third, do you have a budget in place? You have to have a budget, and if you don't have a budget, go to your IT department or go to your IT partner like a New Wave and say, hey, we need a plan and a budget. By the way, every one of our clients has a plan and budget. And lastly, have a team in place. We call it your cyber resilience team. Have that team, and that team is made up of your IT partner, your cyber liability partner, your attorney, and lastly, your crisis communication person. All four of those people make up the team that when you have an event, not if you have an event, are going to be there to get you back up and running.